key to personal productivity is not about how you manage your time, but it is about how you manage your energy. As we all know, everyone has 1440 minutes each day. But the energy we use and put out each day is variable. That is, it varies according to our effectiveness and personal productivity. We can optimize our life by improving our effectiveness and personal productivity. Effectiveness can be improved by managing yourself, and managing ourselves means like taking care of ourselves. When we take care of ourselves, we become more productive. Taking care of ourselves means that we need time to renew. When the idea of renewal means like taking time to recover, basically. Now, recovering from a renewal as an idea is not a waste of time, but it is the idea behind it to focus and think after getting renewed. Basically, the point here is our energy is directly proportional to how much refreshed, creative, renewed we are in our thought process, in our fundamentals, in our ideals, in our philosophy, in our belief system. So our well-being depends on all of these together. And our well-being means our energy depends on all these levels. Now, when we talk about energy, we talk about energy pyramid. Energy pyramid has 4 parts to this pyramid. First, the base part is called the physical level, then there is emotional level, there is mental level, and there is spiritual level. Now, it is divided in these different layers: physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual. The basic idea behind the energy pyramid is that we have different levels of energy that we use to fuel. At the bottom of the pyramid is the physical energy we need to survive, such as food, sleep, and exercise. It forms the foundation for the rest of the pyramid. The emotional part is about how we feel when we perform at our best. There are certain emotions we feel and we go through, and when we are not in that zone, suppose we are not mentally fit, that shows the better quality of those components. That means the more effective we will be when we are fit spiritually, mentally, physically, and emotionally. It is important to understand that each layer is supported by the layer underneath. When we miss one component, other components get weakened automatically. Hence, suppose, for example, if you are angry, that means anger is something related to emotions. It is difficult to focus mentally. If we are tired physically, it is impossible to have a sense of enjoyment and to concentrate. Enjoyment is again emotional, while concentration is mental. So we see that all layers are interdependent or interlinked with each other. So hence we need to work on our energy on the basis of these 4 pyramids, these 4 bases of the pyramids. And if we can work on all of them and get renewed, we can perform better. It's not the time, but it's the energy, taking care of ourselves, which will determine how much productive and effective we are.